What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, we're living through a war that could reshape humanity forever? No, I'm not talking about conflicts you see on the news. This is a silent war, fought not with bullets and bombs, but with algorithms and artificial intelligence. In December 2024, a Chinese AI company called DeepSeek shocked the world by releasing an AI model that matched, and in some cases exceeded, ChatGPT's capabilities. The stakes? Nothing less than global technological supremacy, economic dominance, and the future of human civilization itself. But hey, no pressure, right? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to take you deep inside the AI Cold War that's reshaping our world. And trust me, what you're about to learn might keep you up at night, or inspire you to become part of this technological revolution. The year was 1947. As the world emerged from the ashes of World War II, two superpowers locked horns in what would become known as the Cold War. The United States and Soviet Union never fired a direct shot at each other, but their technological race changed everything, from space exploration to the invention of the Internet. Fast forward to today, and history is rhyming in fascinating ways. The US and China, representing 40% of the global economy, are engaged in a new kind of Cold War. But instead of nuclear missiles, the weapons are neural networks. Instead of spacecraft, we're launching language models. Think the original space race was intense? Wait till you hear about the time DeepSeek's release wiped $500 billion off NVIDIA's market cap in a single day. Talk about an AI mic drop. This new battlefield is dominated by giants. In the western corner, we have OpenAI, backed by Microsoft's $13 billion investment and Silicon Valley's brightest minds. Their champion? ChatGPT, the AI that broke the internet and reached 100 million users in just 2 months. But then, seemingly out of nowhere, DeepSeek emerged from China's thriving tech ecosystem. While the West was still celebrating ChatGPT's achievements, DeepSeek quietly developed something extraordinary. Their models, particularly DeepSeek Coder and DeepSeek Mo-E, demonstrated capabilities that sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley. Imagine showing up to a chess match, thinking you're the grandmaster, only to find out your opponent has been practicing in secret for years. That's basically what happened here. The battle of the models is where things get really interesting. OpenAI's arsenal includes GPT-4, powering ChatGPT's most advanced features, and DALL-E 3, which creates images so realistic they're almost indistinguishable from photographs. But DeepSeek countered with their own heavy hitters, R1 and Janus Pro, models that not only matched, but in some benchmarks surpassed their Western counterparts. The impact was immediate and severe. NVIDIA's stock dropped by 8% in a single trading session, sending ripples through the entire U.S. tech sector. Silicon Valley's reaction? Pure panic. President Trump called for immediate action, declaring this development a national security concern. But here's the plot twist. While everyone was focusing on the competition, both sides were actually pushing AI capabilities further than anyone thought possible. Let's talk about the fuel that powers this arms race. Data. The Western approach, championed by OpenAI, emphasizes consent and privacy. They train their models on 570 billion carefully curated parameters. DeepSeek, operating under different cultural and regulatory frameworks, takes a more comprehensive approach, utilizing China's vast digital ecosystem. Think of it like this. If data is the new oil, these companies aren't just drilling wells, they're building entire energy empires. The infrastructure battle is equally fascinating. While the US relies on companies like NVIDIA and their cutting-edge GPUs, China has been investing heavily in domestic chip production, spending an estimated $150 billion on semiconductor independence. The financial stakes are staggering. The global AI market, valued at $387.45 billion in 2022, is projected to reach $1.3 trillion by 2029. But it's not just about market valuations. We're witnessing a fundamental restructuring of the global economy. Traditional jobs are being transformed overnight. McKinsey estimates that AI could automate 30% of hours worked globally by 2030. The question isn't just who wins the AI race. It's how this competition will reshape the entire global workforce. The regulatory landscape looks like a tale of two philosophies. The U.S. approach, exemplified by the AI Bill of Rights and various state-level regulations, emphasizes innovation with oversight. Meanwhile, China's New Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan demonstrates a more centralized, strategic approach. The European Union throws another wrench in the works with the AI Act, the world's first comprehensive AI law. This creates a fascinating triangle of regulatory frameworks, each trying to shape the future of AI in their own image. While we've been discussing commercial applications, there's an elephant in the room we need to address. The Pentagon's investment in AI reached $2.5 billion in 2023, and that's just what's public. Both sides understand that AI superiority could determine military supremacy in the 21st century. Feeling uneasy yet? Wait until you hear about the AI-powered drones that can make decisions faster than human pilots. Sweet dreams. DeepSeek's capabilities in code generation and language understanding have raised serious concerns among Western security experts. The U.S. Department of Defense has identified AI as a top modernization priority, while China's military doctrine now includes what they call intelligent warfare. The cultural implications of this AI Cold War run deeper than technology. In the West, companies like OpenAI emphasize ethical AI development, regularly pausing to consider societal implications. Their decision to delay GPT-5 for safety reasons sparked intense debate. China's approach reflects different cultural values, prioritizing collective benefits and rapid advancement. DeepSeek's deployment of AI in public services reached 100 million users in just 6 months. It's like we're watching two different movies about the future playing out simultaneously. One's a cautionary tale, the other's a story of technological triumph. Plot twist: we're all extras in both films. Let's peer into our crystal ball. Experts project 3 possible outcomes. First, a winner-takes-all scenario where one side achieves decisive AI supremacy. Second, a convergence scenario where cooperation prevails. Third, a bifurcation scenario where we end up with 2 distinct AI ecosystems. No pressure, but the decisions being made right now might determine which of these futures your kids will live in. Just another casual Tuesday in the AI world. The ripple effects are reaching every corner of the globe. Developing nations face a critical choice: align with Western or Chinese AI ecosystems. Countries like India and Brazil are emerging as crucial battlegrounds in this technological Cold War. International collaboration hasn't disappeared entirely. Over 2,000 AI research papers in 2023 had joint U.S.-China authorship. But with increasing restrictions and scrutiny, this scientific bridge is under strain. Every sector is being transformed. Healthcare? AI diagnostic tools are achieving 99% accuracy rates. Finance? Algorithm-driven trading now accounts for 70% of market volume. Manufacturing? Smart factories are becoming the norm, not the exception. Remember when artificial intelligence meant choosing between paper and plastic at the self-checkout? Those were simpler times. So, what does this mean for you? This isn't just a spectator sport. The AI Cold War will impact your career, your privacy, and your future. But here's the good news: you can prepare. First, stay informed. Follow developments on both sides of this technological divide. Second, invest in your AI literacy. Whether you're 13 or 45, understanding these technologies is no longer optional. And remember, while DeepSeek and ChatGPT battle it out in the digital arena, the real winners will be those who understand how to harness these tools, regardless of their origin. This is just the beginning of the AI Cold War. The question isn't whether AI will change the world. It's whether we'll be ready when it does. Like and subscribe to stay updated on this evolving story. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve.